Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use the cleanup tool on your iPhone running iOS 18.1. So if you recently updated to 18.1, they have now introduced a new tool for your photo editing called the cleanup tool. So let me show you what it is and how to use it. So here you want to go ahead and open up a photo. So the cleanup tool will basically use AI and clean up your photos. So for example here, I want to remove this square here from this photo and just have the cheetah on a surfboard. So to do this, you want to go ahead and tap on this edit icon here at the bottom. Next, you'll see this cleanup tool, which will be just at the bottom right. Go ahead and tap on it. For those of you who's using the first time, you'll see that it's downloading the cleanup tool. So let that download and let it set it up. Now once that's done, it'll show you this message here. Tap, brush or circle what you want to remove. Pinch to pan and zoom. So I want to go ahead and remove this square from this photo. So I'll go ahead and draw a circle around this. And as you can see, it has removed it. However, it has destroyed some picture here. So we'll go ahead and just kind of circle it and it'll fix it. I want to remove this as well. So I'll go ahead and circle this as well. And as you can see, it has removed it. Now once you're happy, go ahead and tap on done at the top right, and this will save the image for you. Now let's go ahead and try this on another picture. So on this photo here, I want to go ahead and clean up this edge and make it look exactly what the photo is. So I'll go ahead and tap on edit, clean up, and I'll go ahead and circle it or draw over it. And now after some tries, it has now removed the edge at the right hand side. And now it makes the photo look much better. So there you go guys, that is how to use the cleanup tool on your iPhone running iOS 18.1. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.